guys, welcome back to my channel Uncomplicated Engineer. So here I am with another swag unboxing video. So this is the parcel that I received, and this is for the Google Cloud Security Learn-to-Earn challenge. So I'm just going to do the quick unboxing. What I have received. So there is this badge at first, and then I'm having here the stickers, and then finally I have my hoodie or whatever you call it. So this is very nice. So this is what I've got, and you're having Google Cloud written here, so it looks really great, and the fabric is also nice. And you're having a hood here, it's also great. So this is all that I got from my challenge swags, and I'll see you next time with another swags unboxing. So guys, this is what I have got, and I would like to say one thing, that even if you don't get any swags or you don't earn any swags, but you know, in those challenges of Google Cloud or the QuickLabs, you get a lot to learn, and also as a side thing you get this such amazing swags, and it's really great. So I would like to request you to participate more and more in these challenges, and for more details you can just go on to the QuickLabs website, and you can just be updated and know what challenges are coming in the future. And I'll also give the link to the main website in the description so that you can just follow. If you like this video, please hit a like button and do subscribe to my channel Uncomplicated Engineer. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.